learned from a very young age that no one owes you anything, and there ain't nobody gonna give you a damn thing. But you can have anything you want if you work hard enough for it.
You have to go in and have to train at 100%. You have to go to bed every night and say, am I fulfilling the task of being the best at what I do?
If you ever question yourself at a gym, which dumbbells to use, always use the ones that can make noise, not the ones that are made to be quiet.
And you have that fierce drive that nothing's gonna stop you. That's what makes you a champion.
There's times when I couldn't get my meals in, and it'd be like 3 in the morning, and I gotta get up at 6 in the morning, and I'm not going to bed till I get that 12th meal in.
People can say what they want. I train too heavy. I train stupid leading up to a show. You know what? Too heavy, too stupid, already got me 2 wins.
Let's go. 2 more. 1. You trapped him, man. 2, 4.
Destroy some shit. Tear up some shit. Terminate this shit. And don't come out and go accomplish your mission.
Maybe I wasn't born with the best genetics, but there's something to be said for hard work. So, you can say, keep your gifts. I work hard. I know how to work real hard.
Come on. Come on, one more. Easy. Come on.
I believe to succeed in anything, you have to set a higher standard.
The next fighter